Hello guys, welcome to Unlimited Tech Review with DJ Bonf G KBY. So today we got the on smartphone vlogging kit from Walmart.com. Guys, have seen a lot of people saying, "Oh, this is something that new YouTubers need to start the YouTube channel, this and that." A lot of stories on TikTok. I say, this true or promotion, guys? So today we're going to review this product and tell you if you should buy it or not. So it comes with a price of $54. $54. Walmart on is owned by Walmart. So this is Walmart brand. So what do I think about the price with this thing? I don't think it's good. The price match the product. The price is high. The price is high, man. The quality of this tripod is not. It doesn't deserve that price. Let's continue with quality. Quality of this product. It's soft. It's soft. You may not expect that. Even when you put your phone on it, it's gonna still be soft. Okay, so be wait for that. It will still be soft, like yeah. Many people are saying it's easy to carry around, stuff like that. Okay, but man, I love high quality things. I love high quality things. Here we go, guys. Here we go. That at this point, we're going to see the light it produced by itself. But the good thing, I'm recording footage there. That footage will be shown at the end of this clip, I think. No, maybe at the end of this video, I don't know. Yeah, guys, you can see it produced light. I'm not gonna lie, I was shocked. Like when we start recording video with this thing, you're not gonna require to turn it on. You're not gonna need it to turn on your home lights. It's not. This by itself, the light that comes with this tripod is good. It's good. It's gonna keep clear everything in front of your camera, and you're gonna see it very clear. Okay, you're gonna see it very clear. This time we start recording with the phone stand, the tripod, and you can see the lighting. But at this point, I'm gonna say the battery was low. The battery was low for sure. I think there at the end we're gonna have the footage of when the battery was high, and that's when the lights was making like clear. You can see a lot of things. So the lights is good, the quality, the brightness is really good, and I'm not gonna lie about that one. The lights is really good. I'm gonna give the lights 9 out of 10. I'm gonna give it 9 out of 10 because when you put it in front of your phone, like everything is gonna be shown clean, really clean. Not right now, but wait for the footage at the end. Maybe the following one, I don't know which one. That's when we will see when this thing is performing at its highest. The brightness it produces is very insane. It keeps everything clean, fresh. The lights, unbelievable. Okay guys, here's the phone that is on stand, the one I did show you before, where it's just see the recording. I did put right there for just to keep, and I can show you guys how it records. At that point, the brightness is not at its highest. Okay, at this point the battery isn't full. Okay, I already used the wait for the clip. When I start using it the first time I start using it, the clip is at the end. So let's say the battery of this tripod, the lightning battery, are not gonna last for a long time. Okay, when I first buy and start using it, after a couple minutes, I'm gonna say like 10 minutes, stuff like that, the brightness did decrease. It decreased, and I start seeing the low lights, stuff like that, which after that you can't capture clear, nice footages. Okay, but you still can gonna see a little bit, as you can see here. That's when the brightness is dimmed, have been low because of battery. The brightness is low. Okay, and you want to see when you buy this product, is not the brightness is not gonna last for long period of time. Okay, the high brightness. Okay, and I'm gonna tell you that yes, you can adjust the brightness by this point. When the battery is low, no matter if you try to adjust the brightness, it's going to stay the same. It's going to stay the same. Okay, so you must know that. Okay, another thing is remotes. Remote is bad. The remote is not working at all for Android phones. The remote is not working. I did try using it. They say you can take pictures while your phone is on stand, but no, it didn't work for me for my Android phone. I don't know about iPhone. I don't know if it works. Okay guys, so at this point, that's when the brightness is at highest. You can see the footage, everything.